What if I told you there's a vehicle that combines the comfort of your home, the performance of a modern machine, and the cutting-edge tech of the future? A vehicle that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, but redefines what it means to travel. This isn't just about going places, it's about experiencing the journey like never before. Stay tuned as we take a deep dive into a game-changing automotive marvel. Welcome back to ByteBuzz Innovations, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech junkie, or someone who loves exploring the latest trends in the automotive world, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that promises to elevate road travel to new heights. It's not just a car, it's an experience. So buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. Let's dive right into what makes this vehicle special, starting with its heart, the power source. Equipped with a cutting-edge battery system, this vehicle boasts an impressive range of 800 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring you can tackle long journeys without frequent stops. Its dimensions are equally striking, with a length of over 10 meters, providing ample space for living, relaxing, and working on the go. As a luxury motorhome, it's designed for comfort and functionality, making it a category-defining vehicle for the modern traveler. Highlights include a fully integrated smart home system, a panoramic glass roof, and a modular interior layout that adapts to your needs. When it comes to performance, this vehicle doesn't compromise. It delivers 600 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate with surprising agility for its size. The electric drivetrain ensures smooth and silent operation, while the advanced suspension system absorbs every bump, making for a seamless ride. Its top speed of 160 kilometers per hour might not scream sports car, but for a motorhome, it's more than impressive. Handling is precise, with responsive steering that instills confidence whether you're navigating city streets or winding mountain roads. The design is a masterpiece of modern aesthetics and practicality. The exterior features sleek, aerodynamic lines that reduce drag and enhance efficiency. The LED light strips add a futuristic touch, while the retractable awning and built-in outdoor entertainment system are perfect for those who love to make the most of their outdoor adventures. Inside, you'll find a luxurious, tech-laden environment. From the customizable ambient lighting to the state-of-the-art infotainment system with voice control, every detail is designed to enhance your comfort and convenience. The modular seating doubles as a sleeping area, and the kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, fridge, and sink. There's even a compact yet luxurious bathroom with a rain shower. Of course, no vehicle is perfect, and this one has its share of pros and cons. On the plus side, the range, luxury, and advanced features make it a standout choice for travelers seeking comfort and sustainability. The electric powertrain is eco-friendly and efficient, and the spacious interior feels like a true home away from home. However, the size can be a challenge for urban driving, and the price tag might give some buyers pause. Additionally, charging infrastructure for large electric vehicles is still catching up, which could limit its appeal for those in remote areas. Feedback from early users and industry experts has been overwhelmingly positive. Owners praise the seamless integration of technology and comfort, noting that it's unlike anything they've ever driven. Experts highlight its innovative design and practicality, though some have pointed out that its large size could make it intimidating for first-time motorhome buyers. Critics also mention that while the price is justified by its features, it places the vehicle firmly in the luxury segment, which might not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Speaking of price, this vehicle starts at $400,000, which is undeniably steep. However, when you consider the blend of luxury, technology, and sustainability it offers, the value proposition becomes clearer. Compared to traditional motorhomes or even high-end electric SUVs, this vehicle provides a unique combination of features that's hard to match. For those who can afford it, it's an investment in both convenience and a greener future. So, what do you think? What feature of this vehicle stands out the most to you? Would you consider making it your ultimate travel companion, or do you see it as more of a dream machine? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. To wrap things up, this vehicle is a bold step forward in the evolution of road travel. It combines luxury, performance, and sustainability in a way that few vehicles can. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast, a digital nomad, or someone who simply loves the idea of taking your home wherever you go, it's worth exploring. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to like this video, subscribe to ByteBuzz Innovations, and check out our other reviews and features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.